Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online shopping with eBay detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your online shopping experience on eBay, start by creating a strong password for your account. Ensure your password is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Next, enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. This will require you to provide a code sent to your phone or email every time you log in. Before making a purchase, verify the seller's reputation. Check the seller's feedback score and read comments from previous buyers to gauge their reliability. When browsing items, pay attention to the item descriptions and photos provided. Look for listings with clear images and detailed descriptions to avoid misunderstandings about the product. Always communicate with the seller through eBay's messaging system rather than external platforms. This keeps your information secure and allows eBay to mediate any disputes if necessary. If you're unsure about an item, ask the seller questions before committing to a purchase. Make sure the return policy is clearly stated in the listing. Familiarize yourself with the return policies so you know your options should the item not meet your expectations. When making payment, use PayPal or eBay's managed payments for added security benefits. These methods offer buyer protection, allowing you to dispute charges if something goes wrong. Keep records of all your transactions, including emails and shipping details. This documentation can be helpful in resolving disputes or issues with the seller. After receiving your item, inspect it immediately upon delivery. If the item is not as described or is damaged, report the issue to the seller through eBay's Resolution Center. By following these steps, you can shop on eBay with greater confidence and security. Staying informed and vigilant can significantly enhance your online shopping experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.